No, they're not gonna get me. I give up. Third time's the charm, it didn't work, so. Back to another video. I'm Buddy Bros, and today we're looking at the pistol challenge. Just the pistol, that's all I'll be getting. Nothing but the pistol. We're going to boot camp as well. That's the only place we're going to with the pistol. So hopefully, I'm looking for this one. Maybe this. I don't know. What is the powerfulest pistol? Recoil. So I might go for this one here. Yeah, this one might be the best. So we find this one, well, this one will be fine. And this one, well, yeah, I'm not sure what we're gonna do with that one. But anyway, if we find that one. But anyway, let's just hop into this. We got, no. I'm just doing pistols only. I don't need anyone else playing with me. Anyway, yeah, let's do this. Oh. Wait. Ooh, phew. Alright, let's go find ourselves a pistol here. That's not exactly what I want, but it's up here. Bandages. Those. Use a pistol. What is it? Yeah, for a pistol. Right. Wait. Let's take. Oh. We're gonna shoot it. Don't get a pistol. M24. Oh. Take that. I need pistol. Pistol. Maybe we should do the challenge to try to find a pistol in boot camp, because I can't find any. Pistol. I found two of my favorite guns so far, and I can't pick them up because I'm doing the pistol challenge. Is that? No, that's not one. Where's the pistol? I can't find a pistol. Maybe this person has a pistol. No, the person does not have a pistol. Pistol? No pistol. I need a pistol. Come on, pistol. Nope. Promising. Pistol. Nope. Come on, pistol. Can't find a pistol. Need a pistol. Level 3 vest. Sign here. I gotta wipe my nose. So, we got level 3 vest. We got medical supplies, but we don't got a weapon. Pistol. Oh, wait, oh. Where's the pistol? For crying out loud. Need a weapon. Pistol. Another M24. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh. It's like, why can I never actually find them when I'm not doing a pistol challenge? Gosh. Level 3. Oh my goodness. Such good loot. Am I not dead yet is the question. Well, running all around. No pistol there either. Here's him coming. What? Oh, pistol. I need a pistol. Can't find a pistol. Does anyone have a pistol? Can someone give me a pistol? Because I can't find one. Oh my goodness. Level 1 helmet. Here we go. Armor and stuff we're doing fantastic on. Well, where the heck is a pistol? Like, really? Wait a second. Seriously, did everyone take all the pistols? Here's someone. Here's someone. Don't have a pistol to fight back. No, no, no. Ah, really? Fine. Have it your way. We'll find my own pistol somewhere else. In another boot camp. Hey, you. Do you know where to find a pistol in boot camp? Because I cannot find any. Oh, really? Okay, let's check there next time. I'm stuck. Oh, people. Oh gosh. I'm stuck in people. Oh, hello. Nice to meet you, fans. I'm out of here. Alright, boom. There we go. Oh, nice. Look at it. So bright, so shiny. It's gonna be a good day, guys. We're gonna find a pistol and kill some people, and hopefully not die. Don't need that. We don't need a marker. Because we're pro, we know where we're going. Alright, let's find a pistol, guys. Oh, hello? I saw someone. Straight down. Straight down into victory, boys. Alright, so let's go in the trench this time. See if the trench has anything to offer that isn't. Oh, maybe. Someone's landed on the trench. Oh, frick. Pistol. This is not going great. Hey, run. Pistol. No. Found a pistol. Found a pistol. Guys, we found a pistol. One of the most powerful pistols and best pistols, I believe, so. You people. And we gotta be careful here. We plan this out because we really can kill. We can be killed very easily. We have no armor and no nothing. Someone has a sniper. What? Hacker. I'm pretty sure that she couldn't do that. She was behind the wall when she fired. Confused. Right, pistol challenge number 3. We got this. We can do it. Attempt number 3. Actually, this attempt number 2, we actually found a pistol. Attempt number 1, we never found a pistol. Found out the good stuff though, but no pistol. Yeah, actually, let's go to these buildings. Let's try it. It's still at boot camp, but yeah. Let's try these buildings. Actually, let's try these ones over here. Aim it right at it. Grab a pistol, run for the hills. Oh no, we're not gonna go there. Someone's already landing there. We are way off. Guess we're. Why is my controls doing that? Gosh. Controls did funny things. Ah, I see people already. It's gonna be bad. I just want a pistol, just the pistol. Come on, pistol. Nothing? Really? Got a grenade? That's good. We got boo-boo bandages. We got a helmet. We got backpack. But we have no means of... Oh, wait, actually, if we find a pistol. According to the... Oh, I always find these weapons when I'm doing the pistol challenge. SRL, oh gosh. Oh gosh. I need a pistol. Pistol. Military vest. Come on. Another grenade, really? Oh my goodness. Thought pistols are easy to find. Yeah. That only means a way to fight. I think she's in here. There's no pistol. No pistol. No. No. Nothing. Victor. No. They're not gonna get me. I give up. Third time's the charm, it didn't work. So... well, guys, don't try this. Well, if you guys can try this for fun, but it's not fun at all. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This is all for your entertainment, and hit like button and subscribe, and see you guys in Battlefield.